Hey there guys, so in this video I'm going to be talking about the 5 different programming languages which are the most popular and the most trending for 2018. So let's start with number 1, Python. So if you haven't learned Python already, I would suggest you to start learning it as soon as possible. Whether you're a new beginner in programming, you're starting out, whether you're a mechanical engineer, whether you're a civil engineer, whether you're into biology, learning Python can be such a tremendous benefit for you that there's no other better reason not to learn it, because technology is changing, guys. With code and everyone actually going into technology, whether you're a mechanical engineer or any other field, the thing is technology is going to be integrated into your field very much soon. And in most cases it already has been. So the best option for you right now is to actually get familiar with tech. And actually not just the competence of social media and other stuff, but actually get into the dirty parts. Python, the hands-on coding experience, the frameworks, etc. You don't need to be an expert to learn Python, it's easy. For a normal person, you can learn it about in 1 day of serious practice. And if you're an experienced programmer, you can learn it in a few hours. There's nothing that great to it. But by learning Python, you're open to so many different platforms and so many different opportunities that it becomes one of the best ways to actually go and integrate with other languages. You can go into machine learning, you can go into artificial intelligence, you can go into web development, a lot of stuff with Python. You can go even into scientific exploration and data analysis, which is used for business intelligence and stuff. So Python is basically like this connecting point which actually connects all these business sectors. It's one of the greatest ways to start programming in my case. So for you guys, I kept about 10 links about my favorite resources for learning Python in 2018. They're all updated, they all have the latest content, they have personal projects you can use, they have tutorials, they're all free by the way. There are the links in my description below. I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.